right, welcome back. Now, you know why I actually say I prefer sign language to asking a man out. I remember one time when you asked me this question, I got think and well. I remember one time when one particular guy like me, he come meet my cousin saying like me. So when the guy started to chat me up, he not tell me say like me, but me, Mumu, 1 week after I tell the guy, say, do you know that I like you? I really, not asking me out. So, normally when the guy, you just start the conversation. Hi, how you doing? How was today? Then me, later, I call ask her, say, I like you. Can we date?
You tell the guy?
I tell the guy.
We don't have my house black now. Give me 5, give me 5.
Okay. The gist is sweet.
I tell you, my nose is like this.
I know you like me. I know. But for now, I'm taking it slow.
What did the guy tell you?
He go tell my cousin, say, your sister is too fast.
Hey.
That one safe. That guy go to flog.
Sorry, I sympathize on your behalf.
It's a past.
Nah, I'm see now. I ask her before, you don't ask me now. She say. Yeah, okay. Get bit of experience. I know what you're talking about.
No, the truth be say me, I never. No, be say
so the feminine spirit entered the boy.
Enter the boy. Now, exactly what the woman for do be that. She go to look the man tell her and say, actually, let me think about it. Let me think first. I never sure whether imaginary map. I never sure whether I won't date you. That time she go remember say something dey her nail.
As for woman, let me ask her to.
Now she go to do. So you can imagine when the woman come the man come they look and say, the man come they look in nail. First of all, their neck will scratch on a man. You can imagine the feminine spirit in the man.
No, that kind of feminine spirit that you talk about. Me and the
now what did the man just do to me?
Now what did he do me? I'm not going to advise my enemy. I'm not going to advise my enemy.
To
toast man.
See? But anyway, I know toast man.
But all man not be the same thing now.
I know toast man.
No.
I just tell man say,
you feel
I
say,
like him.
Maybe now you see, let's say
check up on the guy.
Let's say you date party and you see a man who you like. You feel in a way just dance, go inside. Hi, how you doing? Oh, I love your wristwatch. It's so nice. Then if you not start conversation, no wahala, just sit down. What are you drinking, please? I need to just buy a drink. What are you drinking? As in, you start conversation like that.
The very first
we can do topic for that sign language. We need to learn.
We all be saying if you smile.
Now what did I want to talk? So that the very first thing you used to catch man
with that smile cure person sickness. I don't know. We know be today. We you smile, settle quarrel. By the time we fight, when I see we smile.
The camera get up. I want me the camera show we smile.
I need this man to give me money. Make money
we smile.
You get one man I know.
They smile.
Amaka, you get one man I know. We dey smile to the man. Na Ani Baba. That time we don't want projects. The man to say maybe that smile. Now say the baby cheap. If you give that, we say you put stash. I say no, don't go there. This girl go set you up. Ani Baba, don't go there. You don't get it. You know some men they deceive you and say when get on the smile to you for your mind treat.
But now part of the signs.
Yes.
Signs?
Yes. Yeah. Now part of the signs they tell the man say, guy I like you.
No,
so
but this
that the first initial sign.
But I want to clarify with you with we say no go advise even an enemy. No. But like I told before, if you don't work for now that boy, now I know they matured about him. Thank God say you said the boy don't go tell your cousin already.
Yeah.
So if the guy they matured enough, it's supposed to end and death. When you tell your cousin, when you don't break the chain. What you just do be say, they laugh or kind of thing now. From there now they go on to outings.
He just end the conversation. He just started the
so that kind of man now, that kind of man, they mature enough now.
Yeah.
If you say look and say like he tell your cousin
that
say exactly.
No, the guy if you look and say we cheap.
Yes, that's what he said.
Some guys they mistake some things.
He said I saw her as being as a modest, as a how person always you and I as
that don't mean say you cheap now.
Yeah.
No, just they talk say now waiting some like you talk and say it depend on the individual. So now waiting in your own thinking be he say and say we dey too cheap and I believe say some guys they feel say girls don't suppose they cheap. Before I fit get this girl, I think make she flaunt for me small.
All right, you know what we see actually talk about this one over and over again. But you were there, put your mouth inside and tell us what do you think about a lady asking a man out. Now good thing or they right. So put your mouth inside, enter Twitter Talk Wazobia, or you enter Facebook Talk-Wazobia TV. All right, time now we're supposed to give you tips of the day.
Yes.
Tips of the day. Now 7 habits where if it spoil your relationship. Now at first when I see the 7 habits, some they surprising to me. Because they believe say these habits now waiting they strengthen the relationship. So now all of us go put mouth inside them. Number 1, engaging in public display of affection actually affects your relationship. According to them, they talk saying getting it on in public can not only make bystanders uncomfortable, if it also compensate for lack of real communication we will not get. It says stick to hand holding or quick kisses and save the rest for the bedroom.
Or cell phone.
Or cell phone.
To the cell phone. Sorry.
Cell phone. Kiss, kiss. Smiley face. All those kinds of
things. You don't go beyond that kiss for cell phone. No.
Calm down.
I just asked
question
you
say
now.
PDA, they actually affect good relationship.
I don't think so. I don't see everything we get. I mean, they get yes or no. They get advantage. It depends on how you cut it.
Yes.
You see, this is our country.
And overdo.
I don't see a person to kiss and get person to. Oh, would mama slap? Slap. Then, that was what are the 12 level? 12 level, yes. You see, everybody go take. You see, this is our society. You get so many things that work for us.
Yeah.
Like I talk, if you don't travel, you will see some people they kiss for you. Nobody say, nobody even look you. You understand? That's why you see people.
We don't get Lagos lookers for them.
You know,
you say when they stand, you person they kiss. You don't get work.
Teenager.
You don't understand. We are not to say they affect to if you do it well. You don't be able to your kind like you don't finish the talk safe. Save the rest for the bedroom. Let me say.
He gets as he be because it's 50-50. Like you say, it work for some. Me, my own problem is say nobody ask you how on a day or everything. Some of we men or some of we women, when they talk, oh, my boyfriend did this, my girlfriend did that. Some people, they ginger them, say, I pray say my love, no, go be like this. That's for the good friends when you have. But when you say, only you, the guy buy this. And then some of you go and say that the touchlight is very big. Sample, ekwe. That's all for you.
Why bless you like them big, man?
This is so. I just said.
Oh, wow. No. But I actually don't really agree with that story.
PDA.
That PDA. Because sometimes, like, you even talk, I said, they compensate for the communication we no did.
Because it means you don't lack good communication.
Meaning, say, if they compensate, at least they save the relationship. In a way, by the time I realize, say, communication no day, either on a split or on a go work on the communication. If you ask me, now wait till I look at because I don't feel say PD that really shows that you actually feel for this person. And sometimes it they save relationship. If some men they work out with their babe, you know, the other babe pass don't know whether anything, whatever, and they try to make move on you. If you actually show small, you don't need to kiss and all those things, but at least you get as you go take hold your babe. That one gonna say now your babe. Although some of them or some of the side chicks no care. They don't care whether exactly. They don't care whether you are your babe.
Side chicks come be say one come inside, I can't destroy the waiting they don't do now.
No, I just they talk. Say she don't care. She don't care. So whether PDA day or PDA.
I want to finish talk. Now some girls they use their hand spoil the matter. How my boyfriend bought me this. He bought me that. He did this. We had this one yesterday. We made this one yesterday. You could build imaginary picture. Yes. You evoke imaginary for the other person mind. Go say this your boyfriend safe. Maybe my boyfriend can't do this. I trust him. They will say okay, you don't do it. No problem. They'll come go try him.
Yeah.
PDA or no PDA, you know what really mean?
No, I actually believe in this PDA to an extent because there are some extreme PDA. I don't go somewhere where
you feel extreme, exactly. You know, extreme.
I don't go somewhere where we say the man the choking hand beside the lady.
That one like
so that's the extreme one.
Now you take finish talk, say save some.
Yeah. For the bedroom.
Yeah, save some for the bedroom.
Or maybe that for cinema, you know, for cinema. People like drag the angle seats.
The back seat.
Yeah,
we talking as if you said no, they talk
from experience. Now they go. I never see anything. No.
Go to the cinema. Go to the back.
Who's there for back?
Last one.
Which particular movie you watch?
Who will tell you to don't worry. Who will give you the key?
You know that corner?
Now the corner can go Ghana so now.
All right, number 2 on top of the things we said, 7 habits where if it affects your relationship, fighting in public.
Of course.
It's crazy.
Of course. As in, I so believe that one. It must definitely affect the relationship. Number 1, people where they envy your man, go say, oh, they don't fight or well, it's
popcorn and coke.
With all happiness, they go snatch the guy. 1. 2, it just to show say una no even mature enough.
No respect to yourself.
You know, they wash that dirty linen outside.
Exactly.
But you're not supposed to keep them inside. That one, in fact, you know what? If you ask me, yes.
At all.
Fighting, no.
See that fighting in public, if I want to talk my own, you see me, I get wild. People know me, I get wild, I stubborn. But when it comes to my relationship, I dey calm. Yes, I dey very calm. I don't lie for you because yes, you know,
Just to put it out there, Obi Martin is not a calm person. So if
person, but not my relationship now.
Wait, now you just told me.
No.
Nobody just told me.
Sorry. Caveat. If you talk like you just to put it out there, you go back to the man you don't date before. You won't tell and say you don't get it. Caveat.
Okay. As a working relationship, it's okay.
Amaka, calm down. I don't understand it. I don't know what you say. Amaka, don't go there. But I want to talk about I beg. See,
are you single?
I don't get it, really. I don't get it. You know what? You agree with him or not? You agree with fighting in public?
You see, fighting, no matter what he be, no matter how the thing take be, make the man be man, make the woman be woman, make the man just hold and then go back to their bedroom, because if they fight in public, then go allow external hand to come inside.
Yeah.
And if external hand come inside, you don't finish.
Yeah.
Do you get? So most times, if the man don't want to talk, the woman go want to do something. Make the man talk. Do you get? And you're going to lead to say, in fact, somebody be say, no matter
what, All right, number 3, not talking it out. Now, they say one thing where they actually destroy relationship. Now, if issue they and not sit down to address them, say this one, they actually destroy good relationship.
Communication.
Yes.
It destroy one
communication.
It destroy when you get
home. It destroy one because
talking it out destroy.
Talking it out.
Not talking it out.
I thought I said there is respect if you give woman for her absence. You understand? As if you get something in common. You understand? See, if why I say destroy my relationship is that one at time because single way now. You understand?
Advertisement.
Listen to advertisement. Calm down. They say then I look at it. No, she'll call me. She'll let me. She know me.
Okay.
She'll call me. She said she'll call me because anytime we get issues, she always call me. I look at it. She'll call me. She'll call me. He called me and say, man, I'm tired. And I wish he no cause anything. I said, I should go. I said, hey, because if me and the person did, I don't be like gist like that. But if I deal with my friends, I will not gist with the gist. Because if we think they make us know the gist. So I don't know. You understand? So he can't eat come out. Because why you eat for me, from there? I think they come back. 1 week. Pride don't even let me go out again. Like I say, go greet me one morning. I say nothing. I say one day again. Hi. I thought I could remember the Two-Face sing one song. Two-Face, you kind of love song, they call my I say, hey, Jesus. Something was only kill him out. We don't finish stuff. Forget Mozu.
All right, number 4, keeping score. Now, a lot of relationship, I'm going to explain them to you. A lot of relationship, good relationship where they suffer, especially even marriages. Now, if they keep score, now the person do something in the past. Because they do something again, you they remember. Now, so you do.
Okay.
Last week, where we go this place. Now, remembering the past, well, not already passed it actually affects good relationship.
You even say last week, you try. What you did in the year 2006, October 1st at 5 p.m.
Keep the date.
Women have to do that thing well.
Men to the do one.
And some men they do them,
better.
That's not the good. They make that person where you remember that thing, where you remember that thing, forget the immediate.
Yeah.
Because it's so impulsive for mind.
True.
You understand? And that one way you can't talk, where you can't put for mind, then you can't hold against you. Because maybe don't buy you gift. Say let it go. You understand? You say let it go. You can't. And most time it boils down to you controlling yourself and understanding the situation and managing that situation. Yeah. Because most time if you don't vex, you can't go talk the way you're supposed to talk.
You remember some kind of things.
Do you get? And that way you can't talk. Now you can't be the worst. And me, I hate one thing for my life. I hate regrets. Because regret, they pain me. I look at someone, you don't go. I like to make amends. Say, man, I don't forget what happened yesterday. Okay, now it don't happen. What's the way forward?
Yeah. Amaka, what would you think?
No, it's true.
Yeah, you actually go with them.
I go with that.
Not keep scores. Now, they tell you, say, make you not keep score if you want to make a relationship actually last. Now, the number 5, spying.
No, be una talk say make una scoop. Before you talk that story, finish.
Wait, spying. We spying.
Spy. Scoop.
No, that pigeon. When is spying? Say spying. Say the man the back. You man is spying the man.
You they look for phone. They go in telephone. Go look for phone.
You go email. You go in phone.
Facebook, email,
everything.
That you go. I'm saying they stalk the person now. Who call you? Who call you now?
Some people, their relationship, they get each other password.
That one not be scooping.
No be until you see. The mistake people they make, ladies. No be until I get your password. Me say you love me. See, love does not.
But if I get your PIN for your ATM card.
Let me tell you one thing. The market today, love does not guarantee honesty.
Yeah.
If you love person, what you want to do, you will still do it.
True.
I can love you not to the extent of marrying you. Yes. You understand?
Okay, so waiting go make you marry person, no be love.
He will answer that question when we come back after
Exactly.
this break. So I bet just stay with us. More to come on top of the show today.
Hey.
If you know say na just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.